Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add text to speech on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my phone, and for your information guys, text to speech feature on InShot is a new feature. So if you haven't got this feature on your InShot, I recommend you to go to your Play Store if you are an Android user, or you can go to the Apple Store if you are iOS user. And then you can update your InShot, and after you have updated your InShot, you will get text to speech feature on your application. Okay, and since I have updated my InShot application, I just need to open my InShot, and then we're going to create new project. I'm going to click on video and then select new, and I'm just going to add blank clip to my project. Okay, and here I'm going to show you guys how we can add the text to speech to our project. There are two methods we can use. The first method, you can go to the text and then you can select text and then type in something, and you will be able to turn the text into a speech or a voice. I'm just going to type in "Hey guys," for example, and click on the check mark, and you're going to select add speech. Okay, then select the voice you want to apply to your text to speech. I'm just going to choose this one, for example.
This is my voice tone.
Hi, this is my voice tone.
Hi.
Hi, this is my voice tone.
I'm gonna go with this one, guys, but here actually there are some categories we can use.
Hi, this
But
is my
I'm just
voice
going
tone.
to use this one. Okay, and just hold on. You just need to wait for a moment, and now it's done, and this is the result.
Hey guys.
Alright, and the second method, you can go to the text again and select the AI speech, and then you can enter or paste the text you would like to convert to speech here. You just need to paste it right here, or you can enter it. And I'm just going to type in "Hey guys" again and click on the check mark, and then select the
Hi,
voice.
this is my voice tone.
I'm going to use female category.
Hi, this is my voice tone. Hi, this is my voice tone.
Oi, esse é o meu tom de voz.
I'm going to use this one. Okay. Language mismatch. Sorry. This is, I think, for the Spanish language. So I'm just going to use this
Hi,
one.
this is my.
Okay.
Hey
And
guys.
those are the results,
Hey
guys. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add text to speech on InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.